This is the exact final video you need to fix Bluetooth not working after Windows 11 Fresh install forever. Are you staring at that blinking icon? Totally stuck, wondering why your Bluetooth devices just won't connect after that clean Windows 11 install? It's maddening, right? That sinking feeling when your essential tech just quits. But stop stressing, because your search ends here. I'm about to reveal 4 guaranteed methods that will absolutely force your Bluetooth back to life, no matter what. These aren't just suggestions. These are proven fixes that have worked for thousands, and they will work for you, even if the first, second, or third method doesn't seem to do the trick. The final one is a system-level reset that guarantees a fix. We're talking about getting your headphones, mice, and keyboards working seamlessly again, fast. So, lean in, get ready to follow along, and prepare for that sweet, sweet victory scream. Pause the video right now, and get ready to execute these game-changing steps. You are about to conquer this Bluetooth nightmare. This is Rexish bringing you the ultimate solution.